After the challenge is done, then we evergreened it, and now this evergreen funnel keeps making its money. How many of you guys are evergreening your challenges after you're done with them, or your webinars after you're done with them? Like if you're not, the only reason I do a live thing is so I can evergreen afterwards. It's insane. And there's two really, really good tools right now out there to evergreen webinars and challenges. One of them is a company called AEvent. Have you guys ever heard of AEvent? Oh, you guys came here for this alone. It's AEvent.com or AEvents.com, I don't know. AEvent.com. But what you do at AEvent is you're buying a computer. I have no idea how this actually works. In my mind, it's some dude's house. He's got a whole bunch of computers. It's probably not, but maybe it is. I don't really know. It doesn't matter. But it's a computer. And on that computer, there's a script that says, you say, run Zoom every day, whatever. And people register for a Zoom webinar, and it's in Zoom. And it pops to your Zoom room, and then it pops up your video, and it looks as live as when we went live. Nobody knows, and it's in Zoom. And your staff can go in there and just be in the chat, answering questions and comments and all sorts of stuff. It is insane. It's making me so much money. If you came for just that alone, it'll be worth it all. So AEvent is amazing. Every campaign we do goes into AEvent afterwards.